Good day. And now, breaking news. In the fiber optics industry, rapidconnect bend insensitive patch cables have been designed to allow for a 7.5 millimeter reduced bend radius whilst maintaining a low insertion and return losses. If you need to bend a cable around tight spaces, then this is the patch cable for you. With all the same benefits as your standard single mode fiber optic patch cable, but also includes the added feature of bend insensitive G657.A2 glass. All the rapidconnect bend insensitive fiber optic patch cables are manufactured with an extremely low insertion loss. This is the quality difference that rapidconnect bend insensitive fiber optic patch cables are known for. But here's the best news. Andersen can manufacture these high-quality bend-insensitive patch cables to your exact needs. Well, they are fully supported with a lifetime warranty. So, if your team needs the highest quality rapidconnect fiber optic bend-insensitive patch cables made to your exact specifications, then visit Andersen's website as shown below.